Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the bulbs on the driver's side, we advise removing the battery after watching our tutorial how to replace the car battery for the Leon 1. Remove the cover by lifting the metallic bars located on either side of it. To replace the side lights, take the black power terminal and pull on it. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Put the new one into the plastic base, then insert the whole thing into the headlight. To replace the full beam H1 bulbs, remove the electricity connector on the bulb by pulling on the black part, not on the wires. To release the bulb, you must simultaneously push down and to the right of the holding clip to free it from the tabs. Then remove the bulbs. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections, position the bulb in its housing, then push the hooks down and finish by locking it into the holding studs. Plug the connector back in. To replace the H7 dipped beam light bulbs, remove the electricity connector on the bulb by pulling on the black part, not on the wires. To release the bulb, you must simultaneously push down and to the right of the holding clip to free it from the tabs. Then remove the light bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections, position the bulb in its housing, then push the hooks down and finish by locking it into the holding studs. Reconnect the electricity connector. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the indicator light bulb, start by removing the power cables by pushing on the tap and pulling on it. Take the bulb frame and turn it anti-clockwise. Everything should come out easily. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Plug the connector back in. Operation completed.